Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? It's Karen Denton here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about mastering your cleaning bids, 5 strategies to win more contracts. All right, let's get into it. Are you tired of sending out bids and not hearing back? Well, in today's video, I'm sharing 5 proven strategies to master your cleaning bids and win more contracts. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to refine your process, these tips will help you craft competitive winning proposals. So let's dive in. So, number one, understanding your client's needs. Before you even start drafting your bid, take the time to really understand what your potential client needs. And that's why I always say take really good notes, because you got to hear those key things that your client says to you during a walkthrough. And then you want to research the company. Look into their business, facilities, and any other previous contracts they've awarded. If it's public information, you can find that stuff. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask for clarification on their requirements. Like, when you're doing the walkthrough, and this is why I say sometimes clients don't know what they need, because you'll walk past somewhere, and I've said this before, you'll walk past somewhere and you'll see that it's dirty, but they didn't tell you about that part. So ask them, is that part of it? And if they say no, that is the indicator that there needs to be a deep clean. Because how are you going to clean the building and look efficient if you clean everything but that one area that clearly stood out to you? So you need to, that's an indicator when you need a deep clean. I'll just leave it at that. So you want to research the client, see what kind of what kind of building they have. See, like Google will show you what it looks like. So take advantage of that, because you want to tailor your proposal to customize your bid to directly address their pain points. A well-researched bid shows you care about the client's business as much as your own. And you want to be a solution for them. That's the reason they hire a cleaning company, because they don't want to have to worry about the safety and health of their employees in their building. So this is supposed to be like a partner with your client, that you are there to fulfill any cleaning issues and maintenance issues and stuff. So, because my goal is to be a one-stop shop where we do everything. And I have one account where we're implementing maintenance service. So you want to really know what they need. You want to create a detailed scope of work. Because one common mistake is leaving your scope too vague. That's why you got to take good notes, and you really got to listen so that you can make sure those words or rooms that the client stress, you can tell what irritates them in the walkthrough if you pay attention. So you make sure that you put that description into the proposal. The client can tell that you were listening because you have it in there. Like, break it down, list every cleaning task, the frequency, and any special services. Set expectations, clearly define what is and isn't included. And you want to really be clear on that, because clients will hold you to anything you put in your proposal. And then if you don't have in your proposal all the things that they asked you for, that's not good either. So either way it go, you want to be accurate in your proposal. You want to be detailed, scope. You want to minimize misunderstandings and build trust with your client. You want to price it right. Pricing can make or break your bid. Calculate your costs, factor in your labor, what supplies you have to gather up to take to the building, whatever equipment, if you had to buy or rent some equipment, you want to add that, your overhead, and any other additional expenses. Research, now my research always says research the competitors. When you starting out, you don't got, you just need to get the clients, get the opportunities, and price them so you can get the bid. As you grow, you can check the market rates in your area. My price is my price. So I don't, if I was losing a lot, maybe my price ain't my price. Ain't the price. But I'm okay. And I'm doing okay. So I'm gonna leave my price my price. Okay, so then you want to factor in your profit. Ensure you include a healthy profit margin while remaining competitive. You know, like I said, the most I'll do is like 30%, but it's based off of how many times I go in there and how big the building is, how I'll base my profit margin. So like I said, bidding is a numbers game. You gotta do what makes sense to you. It's a lot of factors in getting your pricing because every client's different, and the bigger they are, the more different you have to bid. Um, so just make sure that you don't underbid just to win, because undervaluing your services can hurt your business in the long run. And in saying that, let me say this. Had a conversation today. Listen, people really don't respect a cleaning business. They think it's easy, and if you hire somebody, they think it's just about going in there and whatever they do, if they perform or if they straighten up or their mindset is my point. So we grab people, we pay them, and let me say this again, that's under the table. If you are going after commercial clients, and let me repeat this, if you are going after commercial clients, you cannot, you cannot pay people under the table. And I used to think that if I got them on a payroll system, I couldn't afford it. But it balanced the same. But only thing is, it don't hurt the cleaner. It hurts the business because it comes back that you're paying near taxes because you can't identify where that money went because you don't have them in no system or nothing. I'm gonna tell you, don't do it. If you like, at least do the research and do the math, because you really can afford to put a person on payroll, one person at a time, versus paying them under the table, and then years later, or as years go by, all that stuff accumulates on your taxes. So please don't do that too long. And if you're doing that, it's time to stop. It's time to stop, because you gotta, if you want to do commercial, and I'll say this again, if you want to do commercial, you cannot pay people under the table. And then, okay, I'm gonna get off of that because it'll hurt your business. It'll come back to bite you. So you want to highlight your unique value proposition. Why should a client choose you over the competition? Showcase your strengths, whether it's your reliability, eco-friendly products, specialized training, or exceptional customer service. Let them know what sets you apart. If you can include testimonials. Real feedback from satisfied clients can be very persuasive. Add extras. Consider including a bonus service or warranty to sweeten the deal. Clearly articulate what makes your cleaning service the best choice for their specific needs. That's why I say make your proposal as detailed speaking as you can to the client. That way they know, and I keep saying this, they know you were listening. You heard the pain. That's what we come to do, solve a problem, ease the pain. And then you want to do follow up and communication. Your bid doesn't always end when you hit send. You have to follow up, see if they even read it, even though my program shows it open, but did they read it? Follow up in a timely manner. Reach out within 24 to 48 hours to ensure they received your proposal and to answer any questions. Stay engaged. I call them touches. Keep touching them. You don't want them to keep touching you, but you keep touching them. Be consistent. Professional in your communication can be a big deciding factor. Ask for feedback, even if you don't win. This helps improve your future bids. Persistence and communication can turn a maybe into a yes. Now, those are the 5 strategies for mastering your cleaning bids. By understanding your client's needs, creating a detailed scope, pricing correctly, highlighting your unique value, and follow up, you'll be in a great position to win more contracts. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video on growing your cleaning business. And drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge when bidding? I love to hear from you so I can hopefully give you an answer. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. And also, I included my website, so if you want more information on my program, and I also added the Clean Guru app. You can get the 45-day free trial. If you use my link, you get 45 days. If you just go on Clean Guru, you only get 30. So that's an extra 15 days. I'm not affiliate. They don't have affiliate program or anything. It's just what I use. All right, you guys. So that's all I have for today. I'll see you on the next video.